Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video will be unboxing one of our newest ambassadors. If you're new to this channel, guys, and you're interested in seeing behind the scenes on what we do, how we produce watches, and how we pick certain colorways, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get into unboxing this new ambassador. Okay, and here it is, the brand new green face ambassador. Guys, to me this watch is absolutely beautiful. So it does come in two versions. One is the full stainless steel version, and that is the band all the way down, stainless steel. And this is the leather band version in green. So two different feels, guys, same great watch. All right, let's get into the details of this bad boy. So like they say, small things come in great packages. I definitely agree having this ambassador in hand. Let's check out the box. So right away you notice this paper shell. It does have the part number, which is AM193LB, which stands for leather band. Removing the paper shell, you're gonna get right into the box. And the box is very sturdy, of course. It does have this embossed logo with the Mstr. Again, guys, Mstr does stand for Meister watches. A lot of people have been confusing it with Master, although Master is a German word for Meister, which is what we stand for. The correct term to say it is Meister watches, guys. Next feature on this beautiful box is the magnet feature, and that is when you open the box, obviously you get exposed to this beautiful rose gold watch. But hearing the magnet on the back of this box, it does click. That means that the box is locked in and your watch is safe and secure when you are traveling, if you do decide to travel with this box. Or if not, you can use one of our travel cases. Having this box open, you do see this really nice textured paper that does have the gold and with the Mstr and gold foil. It does have Los Angeles, California, established in 2009. That's when we were established, guys. Also, this is our 10-year anniversary, so really cool. Behind that though is the Meister instruction booklet for your ambassador MK3, your aviator, your pilot, and your racer. So turn this over, guys, and this will show you how to set not only your watch but your dates and how to use the chronograph. Okay, it's time to get into the details of this bad boy. First thing to me that really just commands my attention is this beautiful green face. It does have almost like this emerald metallic finish to it. It is just absolutely stunning, guys. I'm not a fan of green until this watch came out. Even when we sampled it, I was like, man, I'm really leaning towards this watch. So having this watch in hand, I am definitely going to add this to my collection. I didn't know I needed a green watch until this one came out. Another detail that I really love that I'm glad we added to this ambassador is the black subdials, which is the chronograph, as well as the black ring around it. This really helps for the green face to pop out, along with the Roman numerals in rose gold and the M and the Mstr. All three of these features on this watch really command a lot of attention. It's such a beautiful watch. The case is NASA grade 316 stainless steel, and on the side of this case, guys, you're going to find a very pleasant surprise, which is this Meister engraved on the case. Look how beautiful and stunning that is. And then you switch over, guys, to the crown, and the M logo is on the crown engraved as well. A lot of detail, guys, hidden details as well. The bezel does feature our signature 8 hexagon bolts. Okay, moving on to this chosen band for the ambassador. It is our smooth green leather. So guys, this is the first time that we've actually done this type of green and this leather band on an ambassador. So putting these together have really complemented the watch. Another exciting detail on our band is our latch feature. If you do push down on this latch, it will release the band, allowing you to choose another leather band, a different color, which will help you create not only be your watch, but your style. And you can even switch to the stainless steel band version. This watch features a Japanese Seiko 6-hand BD53 chronograph movement. Let's flip the watch over and see what details are on the back. Having the watch turned over, the first thing you notice is this engraved ambassador logo, as well as the part number AM193. It is limited, guys, like most of watches are in collection. They are limited from anywhere from 100 to 300 pieces. Very rarely will it be 500 pieces, just depending on the collab and the colorway, guys. You can see this is limited to 22, and like all ambassadors, they are water resistant to 100 meters. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up the details of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We do check them daily, guys. Tell us what your favorite thing about the watch was. Was it the green color band, the green on the face, or the rose gold on the watch? Stay tuned for detailed shots of this watch on wrist and some cool lifestyles. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. We truly appreciate it. Make sure you get a chance to grab this watch before it sells out. It is extremely limited. Take care, guys.
Backed up, I'm not the killer. Back down, I'm not the killer. Why run? I'm not the killer. Sit down, I'm not the killer. I've been wrong, been cheated. Say I'm the bad guy 'cause I'm trying to feel it.